She smoked 100s when I met her. She tried to quit before she left me. I'm not so sure if that's important. Free association gets me dizzy. They ask what's the reason for your appointment. I try to come up with something vague. She asks if I'm going to the party. I tell her I'm going to the party. It's so hot by noon I just get queasy. It's so hot by 2 I stay inside. I try to put down a cup of coffee. He asks how much I'm drinking and I lie. Doctors are always trying to tell you some torturous way to live your life. It's not like they know everything ever. Hey man, I went to college too. But all of the kids I met on campus are settled down beside the sea. Some days I wish that I could be that. Sometimes I forget to spit out the seeds. I'll make it through this if it kills me, and when it kills me I'll come back. Jesus will make me a disciple, or maybe he'll let me be your cat. I wait to be led into temptation as I lay alone across the street. Catherine is smoking pot above me, watching Hellraiser on TV. Tomorrow I'm driving to Chicago. Tonight I am kneeling from the pew, still doing all I can to understand. One more arrival.